Hi guys, Judy here, your maestra. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to say where are you in Bisaya. Where are you? In Bisaya, that is asa ka. Asa ka. Where are you? Asa ka. You must be mindful of your tone, guys, when you say this, okay? It might sound rude to other people, okay? Asa ka. Okay, make it a little sweeter, okay? When you say it. Asa is where. The you here is ka. Okay, repeat after me. Asa. Asa. And then ka. Ka. Okay, asa ka. Asa ka. Where are you? Asa ka. Okay, if you want to add now, where are you now? You say, asa na ka. Okay, the na here means already. Okay, asa na ka. Asa na ka? Where are you now? If you just came into my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like. Show your support down below, guys. Give me a comment. Okay. If you cannot wait for next Friday, just go to my site and access this, and then subscribe to my members plan. All right. I'll see you next week for another short video lesson. Okay. Bye.